Randall Park is an American actor, comedian and writer best known for portraying Kim Jong-un in the 2014 film The Interview and Eddie Huang's father, American restaurateur Louis Huang, in Fresh Off the Boat, for which he was nominated for the Critics' Choice Television Award for Best Actor in a Comedy Series in 2016. In 2012, he gained popularity playing Steve, a prank replacement of Jim Halpert in an episode of The Office. He also appears in the Marvel Cinematic Universe film Ant-Man and the Wasp and upcoming television series WandaVision as FBI agent Jimmy Woo, as well as in the DC Extended Universe film Aquaman as Dr. Stephen Shin. He has appeared in numerous web series on Channel 101, including Dr. Miracles and IKEA Heights and Wong Fu Productions. Park was born to Korean immigrants in Los Angeles, California, and grew up in Castle Heights, Los Angeles. His mother was an accountant at University of California, Los Angeles, and his father owned a one-hour photo store. Park graduated from Hamilton High School's Humanities Magnet program. Park began attending UCLA in winter quarter of 1993. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.